Friday to you. I tried to talk somebody into it being Monday, and she went, "No, don't do that to me, Mrs. Fry." So we are glad you're with us this morning. Let's do that silent Friday cheer before I forget and before you just can't get your day started. So on the count of 3, that silent Friday cheer. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. I need you to sit up straight, or let's just do this. Just stand up for me right now. Have your body turned to the stage. Have your lips turned off. And you notice that our stage is clear full of boxes, so that's why we can't be up there. We have ordered some new chairs, and wait till you see the color of them. I'm excited about that. And then we've ordered some new mats for the gym. So we're excited to have those in, and we'll get those put away. We probably can't get the chairs put away because guess what? The racks aren't here yet. So, you may see the chair boxes for quite a while. All right, would you please join Kel Wiley in the Pledge of Allegiance?
Good morning, my name is Kel. Please join me in an American flag salute ready for you.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, my name is Hayden. Please join me in the Oklahoma flag salute ready to begin.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbol of peace and right for all people.
Hi, my name is Mason. Please join me in the moment of silence ready to begin. Thank you.
Let's show our appreciation. Thank you guys. You can just go ahead and have seats. No, let's go back there so you don't get stepped on. I don't want anybody stepping on you this morning. All right, let's start off with reading. Maddie Champlin, come on up. You took it on and you whipped it. List B, congratulations. Emily Chavez, come on up. We're celebrating you along with Mrs. Pratt. She has accomplished List C. Congratulations, ladies. In the world of reading and AR goals, the following people have met their 4th quarter AR goal. That would include Kinley Suter, Amelia Morrow, Allie Leffenbuer, Trace Hager, Carson Epperson, and Holland Smith. All 4th graders. Would you help me with those, please? Thank you. Math facts, we know the importance of them. And when we say math fluency, what does that mean? What's math fluency mean? There you go. We talk about reading fluency, and that's when you read the passage. Somebody had given that answer. Reading fluency is when you're reading that passage and you're reading it correctly at a good pace. Math fluency says, hey, I know those facts just like this. That doesn't give you time to do this. It's like this. And then JJ, that will help with so many other math classes you're going to take. So let's celebrate. Natalie Knight completed her subtraction facts. Aiden Ramsey has completed his subtraction facts. Giselle Perez Vargas, oh good, come on up here and help me out, has completed addition doubles. Nolan Scott has completed addition facts of 7s. Natalie Knight, thank you. Natalie Knight has completed addition facts of 6s. Ethan Smith has completed his subtraction facts of 4s. Nash Turner has completed his subtraction facts of 6s. Cash Reeser knows his addition facts of 4s. Miriam Bajo has completed addition facts of 5s. There we go, Nash. I'm all confused up. If you see him come in, would you help? If you see Miriam come in, would you help? Bryn Rutz, come on up. Completed all subtraction facts, 0 to 10. Nolan Scott has completed all subtraction facts, 0 to 10. And Adam Ramsey has completed all subtraction facts, 0 to 10. Okay. Another one. Giselle, please come on up. Giselle has started his multiplication facts, has mastered those of 2s. Lily has completed her facts of 9s. Jace has completed his facts of 4s. And Zara has completed her facts of 3s. I didn't think anybody was coming from back there. Lily Grace. There you go. Thank you. 3rd grade, Study Island Math. You have completed it. Now what are you going to do? There we go. Congratulations. Would you please give all of our hard workers a big round of applause this morning? Nice job. Thank you, guys. Love to see the stage full. Thank you very much. Thanks for taking that. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I found this on the floor over there. While I have everybody's attention, if this is your pink, would you please pick it up afterwards? Okay. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we have an author that lives here in Ponca City. And in fact, his wife teaches over at Woodlands. His name is Mr. not McClellan like our secretary, but Mr. McClellan. I always get those confused. Anyway, tomorrow down at Brace Books, he will be here to sign one of his books. He's written a series. Now, are you ready for this? It's about zombies and cowboys. What a difference. There's somebody that has read his book. The Legends of the Lost Causes. Is that the first book, Mrs. Curvin? And Mrs. Curvin and I were talking the other day, and she goes, you know what? Kids really like this book. So, check it out. I believe there's a series of 5.
I don't know whether, I think he's only published the second, and he's working on the 3rd.
Okay, thank you very much. And he's hoping to have a series of 5. Mr. Williams and I were talking about it the other day. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be at Brace Books tomorrow at 1:30. That's a wonderful opportunity. Usually, and we've talked about bringing authors in, they like to come to big towns like Wichita, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, to get a lot of kids in at one time. So it's wonderful when we have them come to us. That is wonderful. Okay, today it's Friday. What will we have for lunch, gentlemen? Pollock strips or along with Harvest Cheddar Sun Chips. This is the longest menu we've had in a long time. And tossed salad, carrot sticks, and don't forget frozen peaches. You know what, with this weather, I'm kind of afraid that my whole peach tree is frozen out there. So it just started blooming out. I'm hoping I didn't lose them all. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, on Fridays, we always ask you to do something to remind yourself to do it every single time you get in the car, and that is reach up, pull it across, and wide. Okay, today I'm going a different route. Any announcements from staff members? Yes. Maddie is in a play, and so is Amelia. Girls, would you stand up?
Well, they're not here.
They're not here today. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I was thinking that was next week. So, Maddie and Amelia are in the play Charlie Brown, correct? So that will be at the Ponca or the Ponca Playhouse? The Ponca? Okay. So, that's a great opportunity to go see some of our people in action. Wonderful. Any other announcements? 5th grade? Yes, ma'am.
Just a reminder that I'm not here this afternoon.
Oh, thank you, Mrs. Curvin. Mrs. Curvin has guys, can you be quiet? Thank you. Mrs. Kervin has a librarians meeting this afternoon, so the library will be closed. I know she's usually worked people up, so if you need to change your time, make sure that you talk to her about that. Seemed like that reminded me of something else. But we'll go on. Our 5th graders and 4th graders are finishing up today on testing. We wish you guys the very best of luck. Thank you. You've got a day off, don't you? Thank you. Yes, thanks. They will come back hard and test Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. At Trout, we ask you to think, believe. Thank you.